Why do you call him Bear? Why do you call Liam Bear?
He's an animal. They're real animals.
All the Hemsworths are animals.
It's the craziest family I've ever been around in my life. The way that they communicate is so physical and crazy. Like, it'll be like, hey man, eat this scab and I'll give you $5.
What was the most awkward scene to shoot?
Anytime I had to kiss Jennifer was pretty uncomfortable.
Kissing Jennifer Lawrence is uncomfortable?
Look, when you look at it on the outside, it looks like a great picture. If we had a kissing scene, she would make a point of eating garlic or tuna fish. Something that was disgusting.